Welcome to Profiletraders. This is Reza, January 26th, and we are looking at the chart of ES. Before I go further into details, let's bring a daily chart and see what is taking place here. During the last analysis, when we were trading down at 1820 and we retested this low, we did hold the low, rejected back up, and the daily candle had a little spike at the bottom. I told you that short term a possible bottom was in place and that market could very well so rally first towards 1900, which it did. From that point on, we have tested it 3 times. 1 time, 2, and again today 3. And we were unable to pass through 1900. Therefore, 1900 to 1905 is now a significant level of resistance. If we do manage to break above that level, on the 120-minute charts, we are able to draw a trend line containing the short-term trend up. There is a upside objective at the upper part of the channel calling in for 1940. I can also do this, which is measure this last leg up from here to here and then project it from the low that we have in here. So this is more or less the same low. If we really want to rally harder, for whatever reason, upside objective calls for 1950, at which point 1950 being also a retest of this top here should be a significant level of resistance. So anywhere between the touch of the upper channel up there to 1950 should be upside objective with significant resistance coming into the market, not forgetting that the main dominating leg is a severe downtrend. From that point on, I believe we are going to see a significant pullback for a potential retest of 1900 again. Of course, any given time that we are unable to reach upside objective, but rather we come and break, any break below 1850 will put this market under tremendous pressure again, and it will leave us wide open to come for a retest of this recent low of 1805. Obviously, everybody is aware that we are going to see major earnings announcements. We already got the one from Apple. Apparently they beat the estimate, but the sales from iPhones were down. I don't know how that will be received tomorrow. We also have Amazon releasing, Google releasing. Therefore, market will be very much so subject to outside news from the earnings side. And also we started an FOMC meeting today, which should end tomorrow with decision regarding interest rates. But under current market condition, everybody agrees that the Fed will most likely not do anything stupid under announcements tomorrow. But of course, whatever they will say about the future decisions will have an impact on the market as well. Therefore, as long as we are below 1900, market is still under the pressure of a downtrend. If we do break above 1900, we will be in the condition of a possible break up. How far will we go or will not go? That is to be assessed when the market gets to that level. And on the downside, first area of support will be today low of 1874.25. We break that. There is a POC down there at 1867, and if 1867 doesn't contain the move, we are going to come down for a retest of the 120-minute chart trend line up, which I showed you at 1850. As far as crude, same thing, when we were into the $28 or whatever we were down there, I told you to be very careful because we had talks of crude going at $10, and I said when you start to hear silliness like that, when price has already dropped from 60, 80, $100 down to $27 and change, and you start to hear people in suit and tie talking about $10 a barrel, you start to be careful that market is ready for a bounce. This is a very similar chart to ES, almost identical, except that ES tested 1900 3 times and could not break through it, and here we are testing 33 more or less and we are unable to trade through it, which makes now this market contained within a very wide range, trading range, with very short-term support coming in at 31.35. That's the main support. Until we remain below 31.35, we should see continuation down. Of course, 30 will be the first round number to look at. Past 30, we have 29.78, a POC down there, and then the low here of 29.22. We break that, all this area of underdevelopment should be revisited with a drop towards 28. We do break 31.34, we will then have to deal with 32.5, and then obviously the 32.75, the high that we reached here and we rejected back down. That's it for today. This was Reza with Profiletraders. If you wish to learn market profile, you can get all my courses. Join my trading room for a full year. The cost is $550, 30 days money back guaranteed. You can get it from profiletraders.com. Thank you for listening, and to the next time.